Disciplines of mathematics and physics, and a number so profoundly purposeful that the natural world and the universe would bend to its whims. That number is 1.61.
So just go to market summary, and I would definitely bookmark. Do I have a bookmark for everybody? So once you get to this page, just bookmark it. You can bookmark it again, so you have the graph. But wow, the SPX got wrecked. Dang. It looks like some Bitcoin. That's just the daily. Daily's getting wrecked, but the weekly, oh, it's getting. Interest rate, or yeah, something like that. I know something's coming. So just from the bars, I'm gonna be teaching. I gotta go slower. So candles, bars. First, Gucci traders. There's candles. We see the left, because a lot of bar traders, you can't see this. The left is the open, the right is the close, and the bar can go so many different ways. And buying at the bottom half of a bar, there's so many ways to manage your risk with it. And I know a lot of traders that use it. So, first of all, set up your bars. The bars are shit. I don't know why it looks so zoomed out, sorry. What's this thing? Bitcoin? Oh, okay, I got a little Bitcoin logo right there. So tools, you want to click over here with me, and then Bitcoin. I'm gonna delete all this shit. I don't need to know. I'm just looking to track my shit. If I like other things, I'll add on to it. I mean, you can always go to, if you don't want to, don't delete it. But I'm not trying to clutter my shit up right on this one. I'm just trying to keep it more focused and, cleaner. And wow, the monthly on the Ripple is not looking too healthy. Holy shit. See how it broke? I was watching it up here. See how we broke it down? Oh, that's not looking good. It could drop even lower down to these monthly buys. We'll see. It might take a while. Right here. If we do the Fibonacci retracement, because Ripple's a bank stock and it's not 100% current cryptocurrency. So what I do with my Fibonacci is I go from the very high to the very low of open, or from the very start. So you go to the very high of the very start, and that's 880. I like to be exact when I do this. So 880, and then I'm gonna minus a few bars so I can get it over there. Alright, see what I'm doing? And now I'm gonna, because the monthly bars, it's a lot easier than the daily ones because there's so many of them. And now I'm gonna go to 6-1, and the monthly low was 14 Satoshis. What? They sold so many Ripple. Wow. It was dirt cheap. And I was buying it back here. This was when I was getting into it. I was like, oh yeah, cryptocurrency, what's this? And then little did I realize if I would have put it all in my private wallet, I could have just quadrupled my Dude, I'm not joking. That's exactly what fucking happened to me. I was like, oh yeah, the Ripple's 420 Satoshis. This looks like an interesting company. I was like, I kept reading more and more. Dude, I do my research, I do my charts, and you look at you get the vibe of the company, the social media. You'll feel it. You'll see what I mean. All right. So, I mean, if you're younger and you're enjoying this, and if you're older and you're enjoying this, because I'm that middle age. I've been doing it. I know there's guys that are 30 that have been doing this since the beginning, but I've been doing it more on using the exchanges, experiencing, doing some crazy investment plays. Research our shit. We're not fucking trying to play the market like a beast all the time, unless you have a stupid amount of money. But for us nobodies, little by little we accumulate for it'll add up. And especially if we stay connected as a loop, we can help each other. And I'll help you guys. Because I've seen this happen before. I've seen it happen 2 times. I knew to rebuy down here. But then I got margin called again. I let it happen to me again. And then it spiked all the way up. It did the same thing. So now it's getting ready to do it. So don't buy the Ripple until it's back down to like 3K Satoshi range. So that's my little spiel on Ripple. And I also showed everybody how to, so we can add this, and if you want to add, so if you like that, if you're doing that along with me, we can add that to our watch list, and that will be all that Fibonacci stuff. If we double click it, well, you don't have to double click it, you can just click it, and then you lock it, and it won't move. So you know you have the perfect prices, and they won't move, because those are it did go higher there, but I'll let it slide because I like that 80, I like that 88 number. And it all depends. But so all these lines means, and when I buy more Bitcoin, we're gonna be doing this little by little. It doesn't take very much money, and you guys can follow my investment ideas. You guys can offer me different ones. I'm gonna have the Discord. So yeah, let me open up the Discord for everybody. See the Discord out. And I'll hook everybody up. It's Coin the Crypto, and then the channel will be in the description, so you guys can join that. And then we can get started from there. So let me know. And now let me go over to TradingView, because this is probably the number one thing you need, other than learning how to find it, what exchanges, how to buy, screw all that stuff. All right, let me show you guys how to set up your trading, because it can be so goddamn difficult. So I love the liquidity there, and idiots do margin trade. So I'm gonna start taking advantage of the idiots margin trading and buying their dips instead of being an idiot at margin trades and then losing out. So all that shit. And then you can click this little thing. You can hide the widgets, which is pretty cool. So it gives you a nice view of this. And I'm kind of going for that right now. So now that there's nothing on this. So you see on Bitstamp, and when you go to Bitcoin, so BTC USD, if you go to crypto, there's a whole thing for cryptocurrencies. Make sure if you're buying anything, it's on TradingView. So if you're buying something that's not on TradingView, sketch. So Bitcoin to US Tether. So here's the monthly graph of this. So we're on Poloniex. See how I made sure it was Poloniex? Now we can add that one. I don't know, that's Bitstamp. I don't use Bitstamp. You want Polonix's price, right? So let's add not Bitstamp. Let's add Poloniex to our watch list. And then boom. And see, this one's Bittrex, but you know, Bittrex is cool. I like Bittrex. So Bittrex doesn't have any margin, so the drops are gonna be way less. But it will still drop a shit ton, so it goes along with the market. But personally, I like Poloniex. Poloniex has been great. I've been using it for over a year. I mean, I've made a lot of money, withdrawn a lot of money, and it's been great. I mean, especially if you don't margin trade, you'll be happy. You'll be a happy camper. And same with Binance. If you start accumulating and let's diversifying the right coins. Like here, let's add another one. I like Vibe. I do like Vibe. This is another cool coin for like 2020 and beyond. So we'll add this one. So it's for Binance. I mean, it's really getting wrecked, and you do have to add all the indicators. So I'm just gonna go through the indicators real quick. Well, not real quick, but I'm just gonna show you what I use. So moving average. Type in moving. You want to click the exponential twice and the regular average twice if you can. Sometimes if you don't have the full version like I do right here, sometimes you can copy and paste it. On my original account, I got it. It's like Gucci. So, but you don't need it. It's all fine. It's gonna work too. I don't need all those lines. Those lines are just confusing. I'm just gonna show you what works and what, because you want to have what works. I don't know why it's not taking in. So we want the 3 low EMA, and I'm also gonna change the style of it because I like it. The blue, light blue. So we get the light blue, and then we're gonna change this one to 13. And this is gonna be the black one. So if that light blue crosses above the black on that low, that means it's making higher lows. And if you're a stock trader and you like higher lows, you know, I think anybody likes higher lows. So you just look for that crossover and it's telling you that there's higher lows. I'm gonna make this one the black one, make it larger, and we're on the monthly view, kind of with your dailies now. That looks kind of, at least the daily view. Really ugly looking chart right now. Wow. It's got me destroyed. And it went up so much. That means all this opportunity, if we start reinvesting again, boys, we can easily do it. Oh, we could easily bypass that. I mean, this thing is like VR technology for the future. I want to fucking go to a concert in my living room. I want to watch my favorite, you know what I mean? So let's see what the low is over here. 1426. So 1426, I think the low is. So we change this one. Those 6s. Who gives a fuck? So now that I've got it to the lows, this is giving you the Fibonacci Retracement level that Oscar go to, and that's the same exact thing I did with XRP. Way back when it did the Fibonacci. I think they have a chart in the high to low, 1800, high to low. It looked like shit, and then all of a sudden, you never know. Boom, your investment quadruple, and then boom. This was when I was really getting crazy. Because I was like buying down here, I was like, right here, there was 450 Satoshis, right here. This was when I was getting into it, the Ripple. And boom, when that happened, I sold. Wait for the Fibonacci retracement levels, dude. Look how much it goes up, just set your shit way higher than expected. I didn't know it would be this volatile and then go up that much. You see how far zoomed we were? That's what I mean, how crazy of an increase that can be, and how much more money. This could be another 80 to 90% in drops right here. I mean, sure, it's gonna every once in a while, but it looks like it's gonna start. It's gonna do that again. It's not really coming right when you like it. It's a downtrending wedge. I mean, I don't know if Ripple has something good up their sleeve, but it just keeps making these higher lows. It is hitting the 78 retracement level, but you know what? I would personally be buying it lower to the 38. Yeah. I mean, I just don't see the rush for Ripple. There's already banks. So there's no rush. So many of those. That's another thing. You gotta know the coins. You gotta know how many coins there fucking are. Like with Bitcoin, there's only 21 million Bitcoins. With Ripple, there's like billions. I don't know how many billion. 50 billion? I don't know. Stupid amount. Dogecoin, stupid amount of coins. That doesn't help the price. So if you want cheap things, they'll obviously have a massive supply. If you want more expensive things or things that will gain in value, they have a scarcity supply, but it also meets the market demand, like the supply and demand of it. Because 21 million isn't, I mean, it's a lot, but it's not that much. If everyone in the world bought one Bitcoin, you can't. You can buy a millionth of a Bitcoin. You can buy 10 Satoshis. That's the thing. You transfer it to anybody. Once they start really figuring, like, once they really start getting this dialed, I mean, we're really starting to get it dialed in, but once we really start to get it dialed in, like 2025, with quantum computers, and, you know, all those nanobots. Dude, this stuff is the future, yo. When we're traveling in space, I'm gonna be using stellar lumens to pay on Mars. I wanna go to Mars one day. You never know. So these are like the type. This is why young kids and we find it so interesting because, well, for me, I'm kind of weird because I love this stuff, but you know, I like to predict the future and the business aspect of things it's always intrigued me. And, you know, I just having such a good time doing this kind of stuff. So, I really hope you're enjoying the video. And I'm gonna make all these lines make a lot more sense here. So, this 9, we're gonna make it 200. Actually, we'll make it 50. 50 close, because this is the buy and sell line for the most part. Move the buy and sell line, 50-day close. So right now, what's happening, guys? You have to cross up there, and I mean, I could go to the lower time frames and it would be telling you to buy in, but it'd be choppy. So you see how it makes these kind of the EMA? It lets you know. It's like an easy wave, M. So when it crosses above, you know it's gonna go up. So if we're right here, what do you think is gonna happen? We're squeezing it. I mean, right here, we just crossed. That's a bearish signal. See how this entire time before it, we were holding on to it? Like this was me back when I was buying in when it was under 1,000. It was holding this 50-day. See it pretty well. Holding above, the price was holding above it. See how it would go back down for support. Always gonna go back down and below sometimes. See, look, went down, it went up double and then all the way back down, margin calls. And then, but right there, we got our cross up to tell you, stay in. We got the 50-day crossing above the price. And this is, you could have been buying this, even though it dropped down a little bit. Dude, it doesn't matter in the long run. Because that's what we're looking for. Sure, it dropped back. You can play that shit, but dude, in the long run, you're not gonna be making those crazy percentages when it drops all the way back down. And sometimes you can buy altcoins, and then altcoins will be going like this when Bitcoin's going down. Altcoins can be going up. So right now we're just kind of in a low stage. I think we're gonna start trending up. It looks like it on the daily. The weekly. It's not looking bad. We could hit the 50-day again. I don't know. The weekly is not looking bad. I mean, this is still way over it. It's still so exponentially. You know what I mean? You never know with Bitcoin. So that's why you always set your price alerts and you gotta stay on top of this shit. But for the long term, I don't think you're gonna have any issue in the long term of this actually be something, you know what I mean? I mean, sure, it's gonna go up and down a lot. Just make sure you're buying it at the right price. Because if you're looking back here, I have to scroll in so far. But look at the price of Bitcoin. It's always done the same thing because of the limited supply, guys. and it's decentralized and it's globally accepted. Meaning I can send my friend in China money and he can send me money instantly. And that's the beautiful fact of it. And people, it's a, you know, you can buy things online with it. You can do all sorts of shit with Bitcoin. And it's tracked really well. It's on a ledger. It's tracked really well nowadays too. The tracking is not like it used to be. So, with Bitcoin in that chart, let's get into an indicator that I really want to show you. So, I wonder if it's, I can type in pet D. Okay, so here it is. So just click indicators, guys, and then click, so type in pet D. It's Steve Primo. Steve Primo's a beast. And here, sometimes you can add a screen or two. There's a full cryptocurrency screen if you want to see what's going on in the day. But I honestly don't trade, just analyze the company and invest, boys. We're looking at Popcoin here. I gotta go to Popcoin. Pop BTC. I'm about to start ripping again. I mean, it's dirt cheap. See, it could even be cheaper, 140. I wish it was back there, but you know what I mean? It's been in this price range for a lot, and it's also like to go up in this higher price range in the 4,000s. So buying in, you never know, it could go back up to the 4Ks, and then it could keep going if Popcoin is actually used accepted. You know what I mean? If you can go to a dispensary, it's pretty much scan your QR code, and boom, you got this. You send your Popcoin, bam! There you go, all the dispensaries. I don't know. That's the cool use of it, because it actually has a use. Like, you could only buy some Popcoin with some pack. And all you boys you might be laughing. If you feel me, bro. I'm chilling. It was this one. This is the robbery indicator. It's fucking tweets. You might have to delete a moving average. So delete the 50. You can delete the 50 because the 313, they'll keep you safe. If you look, the weekly told you this entire time, except for right here, gave you some false signals. But this indicator strategy from the robbery, dude, it's ridiculous. So right there, it did tell you to get out. Okay, it's because I did change the script, I think. I changed the source code of it to 13. I'm just gonna fuck with it. Because, I mean, it's that entire time we were telling me. Source code you can edit, so I'm making this line right here. I'm just showing you the EMA, the close, and I mean it's not complicated stuff. It's green, red patterns, bar up or down, but each bar is a period. I love the fact of time because you don't need forever, and tracking it and playing it and predicting it is the most fun part, especially because I know there's so many people like this. They pretty much just dream out the destiny and they fucking can do it. They are unstoppable. Anything they have envisioned, they fucking go get it. And this is what I'm trying to do. So this is I hope you're feeling the vibes. I don't know why the color is all messed up. So yeah, the pet D, that's pretty much all you need though. Oh, here it is. Okay, I was all worried for a while. So you just click this little toolbar thing, you know what I mean, gear looking thing. You click that, go to style, and then I like to make it like dark green. I don't like it airy. Or like light green. And then, oh yeah, look at that. And if you didn't have it on, so I mean, even it might tell you a green bar, but you know what I mean. This is for investors, for long-term investors. The weekly trend on this one, I don't know, right here would have got you, but it told you right there. Actually, because if I went on the daily, it would have been telling me on the daily way back here. Look at it. This is what I love to do. So first of all, go favorite the monthly, favorite the weekly, favorite the daily, favorite the 4 hour, and favorite the 1 hour. The rest is almost pointless, right? It's almost pointless. You don't need to worry about what's going to happen if you got the overall trend of what's actually just telling us the entire bar what could happen. Why do I need to look at a 5 minute, 1,000 of them? Why can't I just look at a monthly? Each bar means 1 month, and it's super easy to recognize. So this is like when you're starting to want to buy something. All right, right here. This is kind of like vibe. That's what I was like showing you guys. When you see something that it's starting to make a bottom. So let's draw our Fibonacci trend line. We're looking at it. Let's pretend like we're buying. We're at this point in this time. It's 2016, 71. Spoil it for everybody. I'm just trying to map from high to low because you never know what can go up here. So you go over this bar because the monthly is super easy to go over, and the high is 2649. So 2649. Go back to 1 bar. And then we'll go. Especially cryptocurrency. I just want to be at the right time, not rushing in. It's way up here. There's no rush, guys. We want to find the bottom. You're buying here these bottom wicks, and they're all starting to really. You see what I mean? Right there. There's our golden signal. And this thing works on stocks, options, everything. Whatever you guys want to use it on, you're welcome. This 313. I just showed you that 3, that blue line crosses above that black line. It means it's going up. It crosses down. It's going down. That black line. But I mean, it all depends on what time frame you're looking at. So there's a lot of minute details you gotta look into. The monthly, the daily, the weekly are gonna give you the best overall picture on where your future is going to head if you do it the right way. And I wasn't looking at it. I was like, 5 minutes. I was like, oh yeah, 5 minute candle. Oh, look at the price dividends. Buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. Dude, you don't make money doing that? I'm looking to invest and make tens of thousands of %. So, right here, we're getting our squeeze. Boom. First green candle pops up. Let me turn off the color bar. So we were getting signs all back here. So these were all green signs. That was a good one. So even without the pet D, it works. But it was still telling you it went lower. I think this was the lowest it went because it went up to 500 and then went all the way back down to 80. So you could have been saving your money. You could have played this, sold it, and then you could have rebought the dip because you knew it wasn't ready. And then waited for that green bar right here. You see the squeeze. You know something's gonna happen. You get that feeling when you're just looking at it at this time period. You just have this. When you're looking at it like this setting, especially on the monthly. This is monthly. When you see something like that happen, the monthly green bar is gold because you never know what can happen. Because boom, look at that, all the way back up to our 620 Fibonacci retracement level. If we would have set our stop limits, you could have set your stop limits all the way up through here. But this thing went all the way up. This is why you let it run. It went all the way up to here. 69.04. Let's say we sold at 60. You could have just, and if the short was really messed up, that's 5,000%. If you do it the right way. It's gone up more than 5,000% on several different occasions. It's gonna have a pullback, so then it pulls back all the way. And like, let's say we were buying up here, dude, you could destroy your account 82% if you would have just held. If you would have had a stop in at 13%, but you're looking at the chart and setting the alerts and just waiting for the price to come back down to you, like down back in this level. I think this 181 I think it's still gonna drop some more. I don't know. It looks like it wants to drop. I don't think it's ready for a bottom yet. You know? I put $50 in. I'm somehow up. And now it's making me skeptical on if I should wait. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep accumulating, buying more, but yeah, you can see the Bitcoin build up. So there is a lot more sellers than buyers, but there's a lot more buyers at these levels. So you can tell it might go down to like what I was just showing you. It might go down to here, but why not buy the dip, guys? Easy money. And if it goes down even lower, so right here, I'm already getting the alerts. I think I said 1026. If it starts to hit 1026, you sell. Actually, anything below 10, it should be like 9, whatever. 1026, 9, whatever. It'll help you. Any of these alerts. If it goes below this level right here, the 38.2, I think that's where we're gonna buy. I think that's where it's gonna hit. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm just gonna start accumulating, not having to worry about it and trading it. Let's do it the right way. The simple way. Let's just let our money roll. Because even though we're way down there, if I pull it up and it drops to down here, I can still make, and you know, it jumps up somehow, and it jumps back up to these prices, 720%. Oh wait, no. Be 400%. See, you can make a lot more if it goes down to these cheap levels. See, 5,000 when it's dirt cheap. That's when it's always Gucci to buy. See what I mean? And boom, it's ridiculous. I don't know. I think we're gonna uptrend off these levels and probably higher. I think we're gonna get a 420 blaze it. And X marks the spot, I think. Oh shit. And press Control Z. If you do anything weird, Control Z. And so for all that we've done, I'm walking back. Let's get back into this video. So, we talked about how we could be setting waiting for the cross up, but still it hasn't found that area. So I don't know if it's the right time to buy in, but I'm gonna start accumulating. I mean, it's only 50 bucks, so I'm gonna start accumulating. Because if it drops down here, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't think it will though. Something right here. 12, 14. 12, 12. 12, 12. Yeah. So 12, 12. I don't know, you buy it 12, 12. And if it goes down 15%, you just never sell. My waters. Got the refill.
I let you show me something, and if I knew, I took your word for nothing.
Amazing. No
I
lie.
believed in you.
That's chill. As we learn and plant some seeds into your knowledge. So by now, you already have the Pet D, the 313 EMA. You kind of understand that if that blue line is above that black line, you're gonna be good. But when it starts to spin in with those green bars, you're gonna be good. But when you see those, I mean, like when you start to see this kind of shit, we're good. One red bar, boom. It's telling you right here in the 3K range. I mean, this whole bar is going down a lot, and that's the squeeze. See, that's the cross down.
There's ain't nobody that can do it better.
It's almost half your money, guys. Why? And then you can rebuy it, and then boom, double your money. So don't hold on to things. Like, just wait for the right time, and the weekly will help you dramatically. Like, you see the waves and how the market will move, and how you play the wicks like I told you. Because this Fibonacci retracement thing is like, that's how the Gucci traders do it. I don't know in the very beginning, and then you never know what it can grow into, especially if the company is right. So I hope everybody is enjoying this, and because I definitely am. I love talking about the chart, and it's just crazy to think about time in general, like how far it can go, and who could be watching this, who could be watching this be like, this guy does not know what he's talking about. But I mean, whatever your opinion is, I'm just trying to help everybody with an easy way to identify trends. And if I turn them all off, most people get sucked into this. Because you see how the bars are like, it just doesn't know where to go, so it's getting ready to do something. I mean, this is when you start buying it. This is when you start accumulating it, because we're right around that area in 420. Look at April 20th, it's right around the corner right here. I guarantee you, we're gonna start ripping, guys. Easy fucking Bitcoin for everybody. I'm just trying to share easy money ideas, but you gotta be on this, like, really, like, before it happens, and if you're watching it after it happens, like what I mean, like once it happens, and you're looking at it after, you're looking up at it up here, like you should keep buying into it, and you're not using the trends, and like you didn't know that Fibonacci resistance and retracement, you wouldn't really know what to do. Because look how volatile, I mean, like, how do you know? You look at the website, you look at what's coming up, you just analyze the market waves, and I've been playing this trend since I was like 16. The marijuana penny stocks I used to buy They were so bad, but you know what? If I was buying like XXII, it was like 70 cents. Went up all the way up to $3 if I would have held. So that's why we're gonna be holding our coins and we're gonna be smart. And once they do really start to massively accumulate, that's when you know to send it to an exchange and then cash out your Bitcoin. At least like 75%, 50%, whatever you're comfortable with. You don't have to be like 100%, because you can always keep a little bit in just to know and keep your alerts. Like just from telling you, hey, once we get down to these lower wicks over here, it's a favorable buying period. If we go like here, if we're looking at it at the long term, look at this. We're setting up. It's close. We're close, but it's not quite there. Alright? We're really close. Like, you're looking at it probably right before it bounces. Like, especially if I put this video out there and you guys let your friends know, because cryptocurrency, you can lose a fuck ton of money. And I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to save my shit. Alright, sorry for that ad. But I'm trying to save my shit, put it in a private wallet, and actually hold on to it. So, now that that's through, because we know what's about to happen, I don't know, you just gotta be very careful. If it starts like this wide chart is awesome, and let's turn everything back on so we can understand what's going on, because I just hooked everybody up with it. If you were following along, you could have all these indicators already added into your TradingView, just like that. I mean, what other play, you know what I mean? This is like a how-to tutorial on how to fucking do this shit, dog. I'm hooking you up. All my knowledge, super easy money trend. Honestly, just look at the 313 cross up. This is like favorite time to buy. Even if you're buying down here, don't worry. Look at, you're buying near all the bottom wicks. And I'm gonna lock that. If you lock your Fibonacci retracement levels, it makes them very precise. See how it's locked? So if I touch it, it's not ever gonna move. And we already added it into our watch list, so we can watch it whenever we go to TradingView. And so I would bookmark this page, for investing and whatever you want to do. And then also, if you don't have OneNote, yo, you guys gotta get OneNote, because OneNote can hook you up. Alright? So, OneNote, so this is like what I did with Vi when it was 5 cents. So I was like, just 29. It was so cheap. But I was buying my Hit, dude. It was buying I think I could have bought like 150,000 for, it was so cheap. And it happens. This is what I thought was gonna happen. And then we're gonna trace it over. This is the price I was looking at it. 5 cents a coin. It shot up to it was like $2 or $3. And I would have held like 100,000 of those. But I couldn't pull them out, I couldn't touch it because my Hitbit. Dude, if I log into it here, I'm just gonna do it. Because Hitbit's a fucking scam, guys. Alright? You guys are seeing it. Let's start trading. I don't see no terms and conditions. Oh. You ready? If I log into another account, oh, it's totally Gucci. No, I can totally trade here, but I'll show you. Because I don't use this exchange. It's just I can trade with you. But I don't use this exchange. We're like trying to make it. Don't come to hit it. Bullshit. Open up my eyes. Have my buy line, I'm gonna quit, pull it out. All these transactions, see. Look at me. Trying to pull out a shit ton of TRX. I still have coins I can $2. Oh yeah, let's trade, bro. Let's go to the exchange. Oh wait, where's the exchange? Alright. withdrawals. I never fucking, dude, right as I was putting a lot of money in it, and then they had to fuck me where I wouldn't hold on to my shit. Where I wouldn't hold on to my shit. This is why I don't use it. It's fucking, they had a cool platform, like I'll show you. Don't ever fucking sign up here. They had a cool platform, but their service is shit. There's scams everywhere. Oh, welcome. Oh yeah, you can start trading now, bro. I made a new account. No, yeah, you can fund your account. Come on, guys. This thing is legit. Look how nice this is. Oh yeah, you can buy things. Look at the stop order. Look at the scaling. Nah, dude, this is such a scam. Hey, I made a lot of money using If you're not doing it the right way, I mean, yeah, you can. Jesus Christ, it's in the last 15 minutes? You just double. Very good. I mean, never come across this. Very nice. So, damn, okay. Never use Hibit. I mean, yeah, hit BTC. This website. I liked it at first. Like if I go to like the transactions, you're maybe on this one too. It was not good. What is this cool? But dude, guys, don't use this. I learned my lesson. It looks legit. Fucking that way. I've emailed them several times. They don't fucking email back. They're support your shit. Onyx. Oh, I've had no problem with Onyx. Everything has been on point with them. Bitrix and Binance. I've only had problems with this fucking exchange. I mean, TRS. And I mean, there's only certain coins that they won't have. I've seen it before. Now I just had this feeling when I looked at their website. Look at this Gucci shit. When you have your crosshair above, like, I dig that. It scared me because their website was down, but they're updating it, so I gotta believe. And that's what kind of scared me. So I just want to teach you how to analyze, like, kind of see what I'm seeing and get on my level, especially if you're a younger kid and you kind of, it's like playing video games, guys. Trust me. Like, if you see this stuff when you're, here, let me go down to the lower time frames, because when you're younger, you definitely like the lower time frames. I don't know. The names are coming up. Right. Or it's just so tight together. See, that's why I don't use it on the lower time frames, because it's way too tight together. I mean, sure, it could give you, I'm talking about the moving average, the trend I just taught you guys about. I mean, right here, blue line, what was it doing the entire time? This is the 4 hour. That was above that black line. Look at this crazy difference of what? Look at it. Now we're going to hit that again. And see this area? Look where my hand goes. See, now we're going to start ripping. Alright? See this X right here? we got the We got the red bars, we got the wave down, so we already know it's starting to rip. Alright, now it's in the 700s. Oh, but wait, right there, what's that? That would scare the shit out of you, right? So this is why you gotta invest in it and put it into your, I think this is when it was, yeah, this is what scared me right here. I was doing good and I bought into it really cheap again and it scared me, I don't know. So that's why I'm trying to do it the right way. Just let it, hold on to it and, you know, hold on to it in my private wallet like I'm doing now. Sure, it takes a while and it's a little bit more of a process, but you know you have the money, it's on your computer, and especially if you back that shit up and you got it on a solid ass computer that you built. And if you wanna, you can go to PC Pump Picker, that's a great website if you wanna build a computer. And yeah, I was going through the trends with everybody, but you can see how that blue line was just working. So right there, it scared me, but right away, look at that, it was just the pullback, and then boom, it ripped even more. So this is why you hold it on your private wallet, because you never know what's gonna happen. I mean, that is ridiculous games. We were watching, we knew it was bullish from way back there. That's 470%. And now boom, it's back in the same area down here. Boom, wait, what? It's now way back down here. Look at this. So here, I'm gonna line it up for everybody. We're getting ready for I'm gonna do weekly because the weekly is what I was just telling everybody. Alright, the weekly's gonna hook us up. I'm gonna start investing in TMBT. Or yeah, TMB. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna start buying too. This is a really Gucci buy down here right before this. Yeah, alright, this is another good one too. So we're gonna look at a couple good ideas and I'm gonna post them. That's what I was meaning to do. Here, I'm gonna add this one to our watch list. So we got that one. And that's on Binance, so Binance is good. Hey, I'll put my referral link down there if you want to use it. You know, hook a friend up. But if you already have a Binance account, cool. So, yeah, I'm just trying to set this up here. Look at the high, it's 22.55. So remember, just go to the bar. I know, you can get distracted really easily. So just line it up. So 22, and then look for the high up here. So it's 22.55, like I said. Alright, and then the low way down here. Low. Zero. There's so many zeros. You can also reverse it on here. It doesn't really matter, just from high to low. And then it gives you everything. Oops. And then let me lock this. And you're looking for X marks the spot, guys. And what do we, this is just such an easy money pattern right here. Kind of like the Ripple, reminds me of the Ripple when I was buying that way back then. And this is kind of a different way to put it. So we're getting some really nice buying patterns down these rolls because these lines are going corners of here. Nothing you draw on the weekly is pointless. See, it might be hitting resistance right now. It could pull back again down here. So you can put your limit order in at 360, 380. I would do like 383. Look at your fill. 383 right down here. Because I don't know, the EMA is down there, unless it really starts to rip, but usually it hits, you go back and retrace. See what I mean? I don't know, it might just keep ripping up if it breaks that level. It looks really nice right now. See what I mean? so nice. I'm gonna post it like this. You guys saw me do it live. Pretty much. I'm not gonna edit this video really, other than me coming back. Enjoying life. I don't know. I'm thinking that somewhere. I'm seeing a golden triangle, but you know, there's a lot of resistance up in here. Actually, I don't know. It's support. I think we're gonna see one more drop down. If not, it's gonna rip through 40. So set your alerts on your. Here, let's set it right now. All of us together. If you're watching the video, I'm gonna do these videos live. I'm gonna try to. So TMB. You just type in select coin. Alright, I already have it. But if you want any quality, if you buy some, and you do some notes. Some notes like your Fibonacci retracement levels. Those are great notes to have. So like especially your 61.8, and you saw what happened with the ripple. It went all the way up to here. You never know. This one can do the same exact thing. It all depends on what happens. And that's what I'm looking to find, because I've always been interested in this kind of stuff, and it really intrigues me. It's so fun. And I mean, I hope everybody's enjoying the video, because I really am. And these are just kind of the things I know, and if you have some really cool knowledge to teach me, I would love to hear your comments, and definitely hook up in person sometime, because we're on video chat. That's cool too, video chat. And then we can do person, but I think in person you'll feel my vibe, and I think it's way more fun. So I'm getting like confused with all. There's so many. So if you want to just go to click on the top, kind of alphabetize them. You can also press on the price and then see what's up the most. I guess it's already up 13%, so it's really easy to find, like I said. So alerts, let's set the alerts, like we said, 484. If it starts to go above there, we know it's going to keep ripping. And then let's set our alerts for 393 to buy under. So just like that. Alright. And those are just some simple, I guess, techniques. And to buy.
What